Right, welcome back to helpfulmath.com. We're going to discuss about the 5-number summary and the box whisker plot, right, for today. We have the data set, right? It's in this case it's well arranged, right? 20, 21, 22, 23s, 24, 25, 26, and 27s, 28, 29s, and 30s. Let's count, right? We have 18, right? 18 data. For 5-number summary, we are looking for certain numbers, right? If you still remember. If you want to go to the introduction, we just check our other video, right? The previous video we made for the introduction. And for here, we need the total number of the data set. That's 18 number of them, right? So for 5-number summary, they are minimum, first, second, third quarter. Sorry, I don't know what Q4 is. Third quarter and the maximum. Right. Minimum, maximum are easy to find. Q1, Q2, Q3 based on the data set. Right. So minimum in the data set is 20. For the remaining middle 3 quartiles, we are using the formula to find them. The first quarter is 25th percentile. The locator is 25% of 18. Right, it should be 4.5. Right, let me use calculator to verify. It is 4.5. Therefore, we round it up to the 5th number. I'll leave some space, could be a better idea. Right, so in our original data set, it's well arranged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th number over here is our first quarter. Therefore, the Q1 is 23. Right. Therefore, Q2 if you use shortcut to find the Q2, that's crossing out the first and last one by one, you're remaining left the 26. Right, the middle 226. They are key 50. If you use our locator, they'll get supposed to get the same answer. Right, the 9th. Therefore, the Q2 will be the mean between the 9th value and the 10th value. Right, the 9th we get the value is 26. The 10th is also 26, right? So the average between the 226, that still be 26. Right? And then the third quartile, similar way is 75th percentile. The locator is third quarter of 18, right? That should be 13.5. And similarly round up to the 14. Right. Therefore, our Q3 count, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is the 27. And the maximum is clearly 30. That's the full step, what the values are. Right. So minimum 20. Right. That's the entire step, so you could take a look. Third quartile, 23. Second quartile, which is the median, 26. Third quartile, and the maximum is 30. Right. The next thing is about the box whisker plot. Right. The box whisker plot tells us, well, not only the 5-number summary we use, but also it may be using the fans, right? That the interquartile range is the way to determine. Right? So lower fans, not yet the lower fans, the interquartile range is third quartile minus the first quartile, that's 27 minus 23 is 4. Right, the fans are 1.5 interquartile range below the first quartile or above the third quartile. If we have any value exceeding those fences, they are the outliers. If nothing, then we don't have outlier. First quartile, that's 23, minus 1.5 of 4. That is 17. 6. Right, so different value for the lower fence and upper fence. We get lower fence is 17, upper fence is 33. And we go back to the every data set. To the data set, every point in here is within that range. Right. Actually, for this data set, we do not have the outliers. Therefore, when we draw the box whisker plot, we only use the 5-number summary. Right? The fence is just, in this case, to determine if we have outliers. If no, then things will become a little easier. Right, we get 20. Up to 30. It's called box whisker plot because it will have a box, then it will have whiskers. If the fence is not applying there, then the minimum maximum will be the endpoint of the whisker. Right? So we do first of all do with the box first. Right? First quartile is 23. Second quartile is 26. Third quartile is 27. Connect them, right? That's the middle box. We don't have outlier, we just use minimum maximum as the whisker. Minimum is 20, maximum is 30. And connect. Right? So that is the box whisker plot of this question if we do not have the outliers. Right? So every value is within the fence and nothing outlier is applied. Okay? So that's the clean box whisker plot in this question. All right. Thank you for watching. And we'll post other videos for the case actually has the outlier.